All right, real quick, I'm just going to go over programming your keys into this ECU here. Currently, I went ahead and I flashed the ECU to be what's called virginized. Basically, it thinks it's a brand new ECU, and it's in self-learn mode for the keys I'm getting ready to add. So a little bit about my device right here. This is just an antenna for the key. This little red light is for the theft light, and this little button simulates the key switch for the keys being inserted in it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and power everything up. We should see a solid light because remember we're in learn mode right now. That's perfect. That's what we want to see. So I'm gonna put one key in, and I'm gonna simulate the key switch, and I'm gonna just leave it there for I don't know, 15, 20 seconds. Sometimes you have to do a minute, but I think we'll be okay with just a few seconds here. All right, so I'm gonna take that key out. I'm gonna put in the second key. I'm gonna simulate the key switch again. We're gonna wait a little bit. All right, and now I'm going to take this third chip here, and I'm just gonna do this one to close out the system. And we should see this light come on a little bit, and then it should cut off, and then our programming should be completed. So there we go. So our light cut off. Now I can let that go. We can see our lamp is flashing. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna cut power. I'm gonna power back up, and this is what your car looks like when the no key in the switch isn't on. This is just normal activity. The theft light is flashing like normal. Now I'm gonna put your master key in, and I have to simulate the key switch. I haven't done that yet, but for the master key, we should not see this light at all. It shouldn't come on and then cut off. It should just be gone. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna hit the key switch, and there we go. We don't have a light at all. So that key is programmed as a master key. I'll let go of the key switch. I'm gonna put this one in. Now we're gonna simulate the key switch again. And there we go. No light. So that key is programmed. And now just so you don't think that the button just automatically cuts the light off, I'm gonna push the button now, and we see the light is flashing because we do not have a valid key in the ignition. All right, so two keys, good, and good. So these two keys are programmed. Theft light is functioning like it's supposed to be. I'm gonna go ahead and get this closed back up and packaged and returned to you. It is good to go. If you continue to have issues with this light not coming on or the car not cranking, definitely make sure you check your connectors, check all your fuses. But ECU wise, you are good to go. There's no problems here.